In your business, are you getting the return on investment that you anticipated? Is it as much fun today as you thought it would be when you went into business for yourself? Quite often you might find that you're losing clarity, you're losing focus, you're almost losing your passion. I'm here to help you get that back. What I do at the Center of Business Excellence is to help business owners, executives, managers win in the game of business. That means building better businesses, better decisions, better teams, obviously making better profit. If that's you, if you feel that you need that change, I'm absolutely here to help you, and I would be thrilled to give you a complimentary 60, 90-minute strategy session where we can make sure it works in your business. What do you get out of it? Well, quite clearly, you get all of the IP that I bring from an action coach perspective, which has been developed and tested globally over the last 30 years. Firstly, you get that. Secondly, you get to be part of our community. And that's important because sometimes, let's be clear, running a business on your own can be quite lonely. And of course, you get direct one-to-one engagement with myself as a coach to keep you accountable, to be an extra sounding board, to ask you questions, to sometimes just be the guy that you turn to and say, Chris, this is how I'm feeling. If that appeals to you, then get in touch, and I would be absolutely thrilled to make sure that this works for you and for your business.